In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace website on Android using the mobile editor. First, open Squarespace on your Android device and sign in. You can use the Squarespace app or your mobile browser. Make sure you're on a stable connection so your changes save smoothly. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see the sites you manage. Tap the website you want to edit to open it. Next, navigate to the page or section you want to change. Tap Pages to browse your site structure, then choose the specific page. Within a page, scroll to the section you'd like to work on. Squarespace organizes content into sections and blocks, so you'll be tapping directly on the area you want to adjust. Now let's make edits. To change text, tap a text block and the keyboard and formatting toolbar will appear. You can update headings, paragraphs, links, and basic styles. Keep mobile in mind, shorter headings and concise paragraphs read better on small screens. For images, tap the image block, choose Replace or Edit, and select a photo from your device. Adjust the focal point so the most important part of the image stays visible on narrow displays. For layout tweaks, use the mobile editor's options to move blocks up or down, adjust spacing, or switch how content is arranged. If you're working with columns, remember that many multi-column designs will stack on mobile. You can fine-tune padding and alignment so everything feels balanced. As you work, preview the mobile version. Tap the preview option to see your page without editing controls. This gives you a realistic sense of how visitors will experience your content. Look for issues like text wrapping awkwardly, images cropping in the wrong spot, or buttons that feel too close together. If something doesn't look right on smaller screens, adjust the layout. Consider stacking elements that were side by side, increasing space between sections, or slightly reducing image sizes for better flow. Center aligning short text and ensuring buttons fit on one line can make a big difference. The goal is to make the page scannable and tap friendly. When you're satisfied, save the page, tap Save or Done, and wait for the confirmation that your changes are stored. Give the page a quick refresh in preview to confirm everything looks the way you expect. That's it. You opened Squarespace on Android, chose your site and page, edited text, images, and layout, previewed on mobile, made layout adjustments, and saved your work. Thanks for watching and happy editing.